This is for my anxious attached people. I know the misery. I was very anxious attached in relationships and my nervous system was so unregulated. But let's get you into a calm state with EFT tapping. All you have to do is follow along, do what I do, and I promise you will feel the shifts instantly. If you can't do this right now, save it for later. But before we begin, let's rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how anxiously attached you think you are. 1 being I'm not anxiously attached at all, and 10 being I cannot contain this anxiousness and I feel so off balance. Okay, so just keep that number in mind. You can leave the starting number in the comment below, and let's start tapping. Start on the eyebrow here. I'm anxious and insecure in my relationships. I fear abandonment and rejection. I'm always worrying about the little things. Side of the eye. My partner always triggers me. And that puts a lot of stress on me. I feel this anxiety and stress in my body. I feel it as a sinking in my stomach, under the eye, a tightness in my chest. Even though I feel this way, I love and accept myself. Even though my anxious attachment style always leads to worry and stress, I acknowledge this anxiety and fear. Collarbone. And I'm open to healing and transformation. Thank you to my anxious attachment for showing me my patterns. Thank you to my fear and anxiety for showing me what needs to be healed. Back to the eyebrow. Today I choose to release some of this anxiety, to make space for peace and calm, letting go of my fear of abandonment and rejection. Side of the eye. I'm no longer ruled by these fears. I'm safe and secure in this moment. I have the power within me to shift towards a more secure attachment. Under the eye. I'm learning to become secure within. And I know other people will start to mirror that back to me. Because the work always starts with me. It starts within. Collarbone. I'm choosing to see myself in a more loving and positive light. I'm worthy, I'm secure, and I'm open to healthy love. And I'm moving towards a more secure attachment. All right, deep breath in. Gently release. And let's check back on that scale. Where are you on that scale? Did that number go down? Do you feel less anxiously attached? If you don't, and if the feeling increases, that's completely normal with tapping, because tapping brings out all of these emotions to the surface. So if you feel even more anxious, just repeat this tapping again until you get that number down to a 1 or ideally a 0. Okay, thank you so much for tapping along. Follow for more, and I'll see you in the next video.